Hey everybody, this is Will over at MCG Tech Talk, and today I'm going to show you how to set a static IP address. Now, there's a lot of different reasons why you would want a static IP address. Maybe one, because that's what your router gives out. You want to have something set that won't change. So if other computers want to connect to your computer through network shares or something like that, you can do that. Also, changing the DNS if you want to use Google's DNS compared to what is given to you by your ISP. There's a lot of different reasons why, but I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go down and you're going to find this little network internet access icon down here. You're going to want to right click on it and then click Open Network and Sharing Center. Once this opens up, go to Change Adapter Settings, and all of your adapters will show up. I only have the one, but if you had a wireless one, it would show up here, and you just do the same thing as you would for the Ethernet, which is a wired connection. You're going to want to right-click, go down to Properties, and then here you see a whole bunch of different ones. The only one you're really going to care about is this one, the Internet Protocol version 4. More than likely you aren't dealing with IVP6, so we won't have to change that one. But for this one, you're going to want to go to Properties, Obtain IP Address Automatically. That will already be checked, and that's how you can connect to the internet if your router is just giving it out and your IP address could change. To keep it the same, you're going to want to use the following IP. Click here, use the following IP address, and that's where you're going to want to put in the IP address that you want. So 168 or whatever. It doesn't really matter because you'll know what your IP address is that you want to make it static, and then you'll do the same. You'll know what the subnet mask is, the default gateway. The default gateway is going to be your router, and then your subnet mask more than likely is going to be 255, 255, 255. But depending on your IP scheme, it would be different. But like I said, if you are going to go to adding your own static IP address, you probably already know it. Now, if you want to use a different DNS, so maybe the server that you're connecting to has its own DNS server, or you want to use Google's DNS, which is 8.8.8.8 and then 8.8.4.4 as a backup, you can do that, or you can just let it automatically get it. That's how you change and give yourself a static IP address.